Hey guys, what's up to another video, unboxing video. Today I'm really excited about this new product. I'm not gonna say it until I open it, but this is something that I always wanted to buy in the past, but it was really expensive, so I couldn't really afford this. Let's go ahead and open this and see what it is. Okay. I can't wait. This is some sort of modifier, but what this is basically it's a Gobo projector head. Basically, you can project different shapes, different pattern of shapes onto a wall for photography or for videos, whatever you want to have on the background, and compare the different patterns. You can see I have these metal plates. I bought a lot of these, so you can project different shapes onto the wall. Just simple circle, slit, diagonal, shapes, flares, small circles, dots, etc.
So, let's see. Let me assemble this and show it to you how it works. So you put one of these stencils basically into this thing. This is the first time, so I'm not sure if that works this way. Okay, how will we do this? You put it inside here. Okay.
And I had to buy a really cheap 50mm Canon lens because I use Nikon, so I had to buy. But this is maybe $50, additional lens. Basically, put it in front of this diffuser. I just bought a lens for this thing. It's crazy. Lens is affordable, $50. It's actually a 50mm 1.8, so it's a pretty decent lens. You can actually seriously do serious photography with this. Okay, that goes. How does it work? That goes this way. Okay, I guess you can focus here, if you want these edges sharp or soft. So, okay. Oh, let me do manual. Okay, manual will make more sense. Okay, I'm gonna attach this to a strobe. Let me see. Here. Let's do this. I'm really excited because this is the first time I'm doing something like this, so I'm really excited to get a photo shoot with this thing here. Okay, this is the flash. I can see the shapes in the wall, but you turn on the LED on. Okay. Let me show you guys a few patterns that I bought. So basically this is either you can shoot on constant light, you can flash it and then create the effect you want. Let me slide another shape inside. I'm just curious what it looks like. Whoa, this thing is hot. Jesus Christ. There's little dots inside, so you can put this out of focus or use your lens to focus it. So it's pretty cool. So you can put your objects in front of it, like me, right? And then yeah, this way you can photograph. So let me show you a couple more patterns, see what's available. It's kind of fun. Yeah, this thing here is a flare. So it depends on like how you want to arrange that. You can put it closer to it, it makes it smaller. If you take your strobe away from the walls, it makes it bigger. Let me try one more. It's kind of like a new toy for me. You know, I want to keep the basics. You know, like this. And then it's like a circle here. Let me put this in focus. So yeah, if you distance that a little bit, it makes it a little tad bigger. So let me summarize a little bit. So here's the stencils, like the patterns. You can insert inside, so it comes in different shapes. No, not shapes, different patterns. So some of them are really interesting. Some of them are like very simple, which I use for more subtle effects, like just a circle if I want to like emphasize on something. And they have these color films here. You can insert them inside just some random stuff like landscapes and stuff. So yeah, my strobe. It's actually nice pictures. My strobe wasn't strong enough to project like the images here. But if you use like a stronger LED, if you want to shoot in constant light, we have color gels here too. You can insert them inside if you want to decide to shoot with like in different colors. So yeah. Oh, this is really hot. Oh Jesus, I can't take this out. And hopefully I'll be able to make another video with shooting with some interesting photos of a model, so that will be my next video. Okay, yeah, I'm very happy with this. Thanks for watching, and if you want to know what the name of this product is, you can check below the description, because I don't know the name. It came in this box, so I just have to find out what this product's name is.